Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video we are gonna talk about the oral clarity. We have learned that we have learned that we have three rules with meme sakina. We have hiding, and we have merging and oral clarity. In this video we will discuss oral clarity. Oral clarity, if meme sakina followed by any letter other than ba or meme, in this case we will pronounce this meme clearly without any merging or hiding. For example, when I say lam yalid, we have meme sakina followed by ya. In this case I pronounced it clearly without any changing. I said lam yalid. When I say an'amta, in this case meme sakina an'amta followed by ta, and ta it's not from meme or ba. In this case I pronounced meme sakina clearly without any changing. I said an'amta. And you should be careful when meme sakina followed by waw or fa. In this case you should pronounce it clearly without any changing. For example, when I say lakum fiha, meme sakina followed by fa, in this case I pronounced it clearly without any changing, because maybe some people pronounce it with hiding, say lakum fiha. So you should be careful in this case to pronounce this meme clearly without any changing. And the other example that you should be careful when meme sakina followed by waw. When I say innakum wa ma ta'budun, in this case meme sakina followed by waw, I'll pronounce it clearly without any hiding, because some people maybe do that. Say innakum wa ma ta'budun, we'll pronounce it with hiding. Alhamdulillah, in this video we have learned what is the meaning of oral clarity, and we have practiced on some example. I think that's all I can say. Inshallah, in the next video. Salam.